Hey, welcome back to my new YouTube channel. I told y'all I was gonna start working on my doors today. So far, I got the wood cut out, and I'm pretty okay with it. It looks pretty good. Of course, I gotta sand it down some more and finish cutting out the rest of the holes. But so far, this is what I got done. I ordered these rings for it, and they came pretty fast. I ordered them from Best Connections. They came out of Florida. They did fast shipping. So shout out to Best Connections. But this is how it's gonna look something like this once I finish. Speak and go like that. It's gonna be like this. Of course, I gotta finish cutting it out and then sanding it down, but I gotta go to work, so this is what I got done so far. And when it goes on the door, it's actually gonna be like this. Of course, it will be sand down better, and it will. I'm gonna wrap it, but it will look like something like this right here. But you get the idea. But let me know what you think. Subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you think.